Hello and welcome back to my channel Science and Math with Gerald. Let us start with the third video of the series Mathemagic of the Week. So in this video we will be continuing the series of multiplication. In the first two videos we saw different multiplication tricks, and in the third video also we are seeing a new multiplication part, that is multiplication of numbers that are close to 100. There are two numbers that are close to 100, that will be the numbers which are greater than 100, smaller than 100, greater than 100, and the numbers which are smaller than 100. Two types of numbers. So numbers that are smaller than 100 are examples 98, 97, 99, 96 and so on. Numbers bigger than 100 are 1, 102, 103 and so on. These are the numbers, and how are we supposed to multiply the numbers? So if I take two numbers, let us say 98 multiplied by 96, and I tell you the answer of this number is 9408. How did I get it so quickly? What exactly is the trick for this? So I will divide the trick in small sections and I will tell you how it is done. 98 and 96. I will consider a number 100. The number 100, right? And I will subtract these two numbers. Very simple. 100 minus 98 will give me 2, and 100 minus 96 will give me 4. Okay. Now multiplying both the numbers, that is 2 and 4, I will get 8, which is my end part of the answer, that is 8. So multiplying the difference of the numbers from 100 is giving me the answer 8. Similarly, now this number 4 I can subtract from 98. 98 minus 4 or 96 minus 2. So subtracting either number with the other number. So 98, if we take 98 and we will subtract by 4. If we take 96, we will subtract by 2. So 98 minus 4 will give me 94. 96 minus 2 will also give me 94. So taking this 94 in front of these two numbers will give me the answer for my multiplication of numbers 98 multiplied by 96, which is 9408. Let us see some other numbers. We will say 92 multiplied by 97. 92 multiplied by 97. First thing that I do is I take the numbers 100 over here. So 100 and 100. Subtracting both the numbers, I will get 8 over here, 0, 8, and here I will get 0, 3. The next thing that we do is multiply these two numbers. So 8 multiplied by 3 will give me 24. Next I will subtract 92 by 3 or 97 by 8, which will give me the same answers, that is 89 or 89. Both the places I get the same answer, 89. So the first two digits are 89. This is my answer for my multiplication of 92 multiplied by 97. So 8924 is the multiplication of 92 multiplied by 97. These are how we multiply numbers that are close to 100. Now I will give you a few questions. Now I want you all to solve the questions on your own. At the end of the video, the answers for these questions will be displayed. I will request everyone who is watching this video to solve this by the trick and send your answers in the comments section. Let us see 3 questions. I will give you 3 different questions. I will give you all 96 multiplied by 97. Then I can give you all 95 multiplied by 93 and 99 multiplied by let us say 92. These are the 3 questions that I will give you all. The answers for these 3 will be displayed at the end of the video. Moving on to the next part of the video, that is numbers that are greater than 100. These were the numbers that were smaller than 100. So let us see what are the numbers and how to do these numbers. First, we will do the multiplication in a normal method for those numbers. 103 multiplied by 106. Let us take these two numbers and multiply the numbers. I'll multiply and find the answer over here. So at the end, I'll just skip the video and I'll give you all the answers of the multiplication. So 103 multiplied by 106. The video will be skipped to the answer. So the answer of the multiplication actually will be 10,918. As you can see over here, the answer of this will be 10,918. Now how exactly am I getting this? Again, here we subtracted the numbers from 100. Now we will subtract the numbers 100 from this. So 100 minus 100. So if I subtract the two numbers, what I get as the answer is 103 minus 100 is 3 and 106 minus 100 is 6. Similar to the previous part, multiplying these two numbers, that is 3 and 6, will give me 18. Once I got 18 at the end, then 103 plus 6 will give me, there we subtracted the number, here the numbers are greater than 100, so 103 plus 6 or 106 plus 3. Either add these two or add these two. After adding, I will get 109. Here also I will get 109. That will give me 10918, which are similar to the answer that I found in the normal method. This is how multiplication of numbers close to 100 is done. I hope that you all understood the method and practice this method for more perfection. The questions are given and in a few seconds the answer will be displayed. I want you all to write the answers that you found in the comment and cross verify your answers with the same. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such video. In the next video, we will move on to the second stage of this method. Today we saw number close to 100. In the next week's video, in the next Mathemagic week, we'll see the numbers close to 1000.